mankind. Chains of embarrassment flush through my mind.